TV 256. It's your old buddy Paul, along with little Miss Harley, and my big boy Axel. And hey, you guys ready to give away some prizes?
Yeah!
We're going to announce a winner for the secret sound. But let me give you a little backstory first. We had a great amount of participation. Buttload of people guessed. But only 3 people got it right out of all those people. And I know you guys are just sitting there wondering, well, what was it, Paul? Well, it was a photon torpedo from Star Trek. Anyway, 3 people that guessed it right. One of them was ineligible due to being a family member. Sorry, if you're related to me, you just can't play. Second one, it was actually his second guess, so that kind of made you ineligible too. And the winner of the Secret Sound contest is Brian Benz. Brian Benz, you have won the Secret Sound contest, and I need you to get a hold of me at badman256@gmail.com or on the YouTube channel or on Facebook at 0 Hour TV 256. But let's tell everybody what you've won. Alright. First, you've won a deck of Harley Davidson playing cards. That's right. You've won a deck of Star Wars Heroes playing cards. Alright. You've won a deck of Star Wars Villains cards. Alright. And anybody that's a Star Trek fan, you know now why this was ironic. You've won a cheap pair of sunglasses that you can be like a Hollywood star in. Yeah, go ahead. We're going to have little Miss Harley model them for you for a second. See how cool you could look with that? That's freaking awesome. Alright, let's take them off. Alright. And you have your choice of this rainbow colored, yeah, go ahead. Oh, grab that. The rainbow colored deck sack with the skull and crossbones anchor, or the silver deck sack with the regular button anchor. So, Brian Benz, all you got to do to claim your prizes is get a hold of us. Like I said, you can email me at badman256@gmail.com. You can hit me up on Facebook at 0 Hour TV 256, or you can hit me up on Twitter at 0 Hour TV 256, or you can just send me a message directly through the YouTube channel. So, with that being said, all we have left to say to you guys is, live long and prosper. Alright. Hey everybody, and welcome back to 0 Hour TV 256. We have stuff to give away. Are you guys ready to pick a winner for the contest giveaway? Me too. Alright. Should we pick a deck first, or should we pick a name?
A name.
Alright, we'll pick a name first. So I'm just going to set the decks right over here for a second. And we're going to pull out the hat that's got the names in it. And here they are. Alright. Actually going to pull out a name for me. Hand it to me. And the winner of the contest giveaway is Jordan Roy Magic. Alright, way to go. Jordan, I know who you are, and you can be sending me a message on my email, badman256@gmail.com, or Facebook at 0 Hour TV 256, or on Twitter at 0 Hour TV 256, or you can just send me a message through the YouTube channel. And now let's see what it is that you're going to win. You want to pull out a deck?
Yeah.
Alright, pull out a deck. Don't look. Look up. The Zombie Playing Cards deck. one of the favorites, and you pulled it out. So,
Yay!
Jordan, to claim your prize, all you gotta do, like I said, is hit me up with an email, madman256@gmail.com, 0 Hour TV 256 at Twitter, or 0 Hour TV 256 at Facebook, or just send me a message through the YouTube channel. You are the winners. Yay! Woo! Jordan.
Yay!
We will see you guys next time.